Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Maytag brand dryer and you're getting an AF error code on it, and if you're getting this AF error code, it's probably not working and you're wondering what is this error code and what do I need to do to get rid of it. So the AF error code is an air vent error code, so the air is not able to flow properly. So there's a couple things you need to do to check it. The first thing you would do is just go behind it and check the air vent and make sure that there are no kinks or clogs or anything in the air vent preventing the air from flowing. And you also just want to check the other places where airflow can be prevented. Specifically, depending on the model and everything you have, it can be in different places, but you want to check the different lint screens that your dryer will have and make sure that, get all the lint screens all cleaned out everywhere. And then check, again, check and make sure, even though the lint screen, or even if it vents outside, make sure there's nothing clogging the air vent. And if you do that, you should be able to get the air flowing again and get rid of this air. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.